Good morning everyone! Today is April 29. So, 5th day namin sa Bicol Region. Nandito kami sa Sorsogon. So kahapon, sumabog si Bulkang Bulusan. So yung mga itinerary namin around Mount Bulusan, medyo hindi na namin magagawa kasi nga nasa level 1 na siya, phreatic eruption. Tapos yung kasama natin, meron sila Atenan. So, kami lang muna, almost lunchtime na ngayon. Magbabrunch lang kami on the way, so drive-thru lang. Tapos, dalawa lang itinerary today. Punta kami ng Albay sa Quintanan Ranch, then Farm Plate, yung smallest church sa buong Pilipinas. 4 na tao lang daw yung kasya doon. So, yun lang. We're on the road. Update. Guys, dito tayo sa Quintanan Ranch. Ng ating boss. Ayan, kakasarado lang namin ng awning kasi paalis na rin kami. Papakita natin, halika dito. Pakita namin kung gaano kaganda ang view ni Mayon.
Maganda.
Nice. Lakad na kami at gagala pa. Bye!
Bye!
Hello, vlog.
What eye?
Which one?
That eye.
Yeah. Again. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Wala, hindi ko pala na-record. Ayun guys. Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
And we're here at Socorro's Lakeside Restaurant and Grill. Dito sa may Sumlang Lake. Sumlang Lake. And from the restaurant, we can see the trees and
Volcano.
And
the lake.
yes, and the lake. So super ganda. Super nice.
Full of water.
Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung view. So umorder lang kami kasi it's past lunchtime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero nag-late breakfast kasi kami, so we're just gonna... You're happy?
Yeah.
Tapos meron dito mga souvenir products. Meron ditong pili. Tapos, ang dami rin nilang souvenirs. Okay, fly. So, kain lang kami, guys. You say hi? You say hi?
Oh no, that's false bracelet.
You say hi to Papa Jesus?
Hi, Papa Dishes.